Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Imagine placing an online order and having it delivered to your doorstep within minutes. Not by a delivery van, but by an autonomous drone. AI-driven delivery drones are here, and they're revolutionizing the logistics and transportation industry. Today, we're diving into this groundbreaking technology to see how it works and what the future holds. So, how do delivery drones operate? These drones are equipped with advanced GPS systems, artificial intelligence, and cutting-edge sensors. They calculate the most efficient route to your location, avoid obstacles in real time, and deliver packages safely and accurately, all without human intervention. What makes them so special? First, their speed. Delivery drones can bypass traffic and take direct routes, drastically reducing delivery times compared to traditional methods. Second, they're eco-friendly. Powered by electricity, these drones produce zero carbon emissions, making them a sustainable alternative to delivery trucks. Third, the autonomous technology behind them is impressive. With AI-driven navigation, these drones don't just deliver packages. They learn and adapt to improve efficiency with every flight. But like any new technology, delivery drones face some challenges. One major obstacle is regulation. With crowded airspaces, governments need to establish rules to ensure these drones operate safely and legally. There's also the question of security. How do we prevent accidents or even package theft during a drone delivery? And let's not forget about infrastructure. For this technology to scale, we'll need dedicated drone landing zones, charging stations, and reliable maintenance systems. Despite these hurdles, companies like Amazon Prime Air, Wing, and Zipline are already making significant progress. From grocery deliveries to life-saving medical supplies, these drones are proving their value in real-world applications. So, what does the future look like for AI-driven delivery drones? Imagine a world where your online orders, groceries, or even prescriptions arrive in minutes, no matter where you live. This technology has the potential to make our lives faster, more convenient, and more sustainable. But the question remains, will delivery drones become an everyday part of our lives, or are they just another tech trend? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in transportation and logistics technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.